When it comes to long-term independence, vitality, and resilience, strength training over 60 is not optional, it's essential. The real threat to your health isn't lifting heavy weights, it's allowing muscle, bone, and functional capacity to quietly decline year after year. In this video, I'll explain how to approach strength training intelligently to build strength safely, preserve muscle mass, and structure an exercise program that works with your body, not against it. What's up, guys? I'm Dave Durrell, and welcome to Strength After 50. This channel is all about helping people over 50 stay strong and live full, active lives. Now let's get right into smart strength training over 60. To approach strength training over 60 intelligently, you need clarity about what actually changes in the body and what doesn't. Strength training over 60 still stimulates muscle growth. You can still build muscle, you can still increase weight gradually, and you can still become stronger. What changes is how you manage recovery. To manage recovery and continue making great workout progress over 60, take 2 rest days between workouts instead of training daily, prioritize sleep and protein intake, and make your workouts shorter but more intense. Recovery isn't a weakness, it's a variable you must manage. To get my free report, 7 key workout strategies to keep you strong and fit after 60, click the link in the description below the video. Another common mistake among adults over 60 is avoiding weight training because of joint stiffness or past injuries. But inactivity accelerates joint decline. Cartilage, tendons, and ligaments respond positively to appropriate doses of proper strength training. Strength training exercises increase blood flow, improve joint stability, and reinforce surrounding muscle that protects vulnerable areas. The key isn't eliminating load, it's applying it intelligently. For example, use a leg press if barbell squats irritate the knees. Use dumbbells for more natural shoulder positioning. Emphasize controlled tempo over sloppy heavy reps. And modify range of motion without abandoning the movement. Smart resistance training improves joint resilience. Avoiding movement weakens it. It's also a fact of life that after age 60, hormones decline. Testosterone, growth hormone, and other anabolic hormones do decline with age. This is a normal biological process, but they're not an excuse. Hormonal changes do not eliminate your ability to build strength or maintain muscle mass. Mechanical tension, the force placed on a muscle during weight training, remains the primary driver of adaptation. When you challenge the body with progressive overload, it responds. You may not gain muscle as quickly as you did at 30. That's normal, but progress is still possible. Hormonal decline explains slower progress, not no progress. Despite the changes that occur with age, certain principles remain constant. Progressive overload builds strength. Proper exercise technique reduces injury risk, and recovery determines long-term success. Age modifies the pace, it does not cancel the process. If you structure your training program around intelligent progression, balanced lower body and upper body exercises, and adequate recovery, strength training over 60 remains one of the most powerful tools for protecting health and independence. Your body changes after 60, but it never stops responding to smart, consistent strength training.